Hashtag Coat Hanger 2020. What a wonderful idea, Rusty Knox. It's great. I had no idea when you come up with this concept, this idea and this hashtag thing, what to even make. I had no idea whatsoever. I was completely lost with ideas. The young fella and myself sat out in the shed here the other night, and I'm just trying to rack his brain. And he came up with he had the iPad with him, and he just started punching some things into it and showed me a picture of a design. And he said, you should do your take on this. So this is what I ended up with. I actually learned quite a bit while I was doing this project, which, as you know, I haven't had the mill very long. Haven't done a lot of fly cutting. I made a fly cutter a long time ago. Yeah, I was going to use it on my lathe, but anyway, now I've got a mill. So this is just a piece of normal steel plate. Really happy with the results I got. Good reflection off that. It's a piece of stainless shaft. It's got a brass inlay. We had the centre drill, just for something different. Use the shaper to square it up, and yeah, you seen that in the video anyway. So there's still one more component for this on this project, which I haven't shown in any part of it. You won't see that till this is hanging on the wall. So in this case, I'm hanging it on the back of my door of the workshop here. So I'm going to get this hung on the door and get it all finished up, and I'll get a couple of still shots of that, and I hope you all enjoy it. Good luck to everybody with their designs, and I hope you all had fun.